Welcome back to Wiremod Workshop, where I show you how to make all kinds of Wiremod contraptions. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a basic destruction system of my type, of course. There are multiple different kinds of ways you can do this. For me, I usually have 3 different types of input. Maximum amount of damage it can take before it's destroyed, type of damage that can instantly destroy it, and amount of bullets. And today, I'll be showing you how to do that. But first, this is a G-Order hover tank, and it actually hovers, it can drive, the guns work. You know what it's missing though? You're right, it's missing a destruction system, and so today, to demonstrate destruction system and vehicle destruction, we are going to make this destructible. Here we have a large plastic plate, and we're going to use this to tell us if this vehicle has been destroyed and what method has been used. But first, we'll get to all this later because we need to make the actual destruction system. So we're just gonna put has it been destroyed A, B, and C here. And then we're going to focus on the actual destruction system. So if you're in the Wire tab, you want to go to damage detector and put this down somewhere. I'm going to put it right here. Right click it, and then right click every part that you want to take damage. So I'm just gonna real quick do all this. And we should be done now. Yep, we are done with that. And then finally, here is where the fun part begins. So we are going to add the actual stuff for the destruction. So we want, for my destruction system, we want 3 different types of damage it can take. So we need an equal gate, string specifically. Make sure you get equal string. Put this on the right. In the middle, we want greater or equal comparison, and then another greater or equal comparison. Now, we take the one on the left. This is going to be amount of bullets taken, so CLK right here. And then this one, this is going to be damage, so hook that up to damage, A to damage. And this one, A string, goes to type string. Now we're going to get a constant value. We're going to have 3 values. We're going to have 35, we're going to have 275, and we're going to have capital E, explosive. You can read that if you want. I'll leave it on the screen. Now, we are going to hook this up. First one to 35. Second one to, don't mind the background noise. Second one to 275, and B string to explosive. And then, of course, this isn't going to work because the damage detector is not on. So we're going to want 2 buttons. And why do we want 2? One is going to be toggled. You can also do this with a NOT gate, but I recommend doing this after you've tested the damage detector stuff thoroughly. And then a non-toggled one, a switch here to reset it. And so now, I'm going to have it so on is on this one, and then reset is on this one, the non-toggle. Now it's going to work. So now, this indicator on the left goes here, this indicator goes here, and this indicator goes here. And just real quick, I'm going to, because we have the types, we're not done yet, because we have the types of damage it can take, but we don't have the actual destruction code. So what we're going to do, we're going to have an OR gate. And then on that OR gate, an increment gate. And the reason we do this is, if you do one type, if you destroy it in one way that it can be destroyed, and then, say, shoot a bullet at it, it's going to basically undestroy itself. It's a weird glitch. So we had this here, so that this is the output for if it's been destroyed. Now, we get a value, a constant value, with a new value that says 1. And we're going to put this right there. A on the increment gate actually goes to 1, so that when it goes up, it'll go up by 1. CLK will go to the OR gate, which should be hooked up to all 3 damage types. Specifically, the greater equal, and equal string. Now we can actually destroy it. So this indicator will go to this. And now we can test. So if I get out like an SMG or a rocket launcher or this, we're gonna just shoot at a whole bunch. You can see the indicator up here, A, and this indicator have turned on. Now if I reset this, oh, sorry, another thing I forgot. Set reset to this as well for this when you're testing it. Anyway, we're going to reset this, and then we're going to fire an RPG at it. You can see that the one on the right, type C, has been done. And finally, the damage. If we shoot a high damage thing at it, so we're just going to go to this, and then get out an AR2 or fire it. You can see type B has been done. So all of it works. Now we can move on to the actual destruction. So right here is a pod controller. I'm going to make this visible because that's actually very important. So have it terminate and eject, and actually not eject, just terminate and disable for now. These terminate, disable, lock on this, the output for if it's been destroyed. You can see we can still get in the seat right now, but if we were to throw a grenade in here, so I'm just going to get out a grenade, get in the seat. You can see I cannot get in the seat anymore, which is a good thing, because that means it's been destroyed. If I reset, assuming you still have a reset after you've done this, I can get in it again. So basically what this is going to do, it's going to make it so you can't use it after it's been destroyed. So that is basically how to make a basic destruction system. Let me know if you found this useful in any way. Now on to the outro. As I said before, I hope you found this video useful, and I hope that you stay tuned for more of this. Let me know what you thought of the new intro. And by the way, question from my community, that means everybody who is subscribed to my channel, or people who enjoy my content, do you want a Discord server? Like, that being specifically, a Discord server for my channel. Because if there's interest, I am considering doing that, so that people can get more announcements for when new content is dropping, stuff about my animated show SMS, and many other things, including maybe playing games with my community. Anyway, I will see you in the next video, whenever that is. Bye.